konnichiwa.
We can see only from the outside, but it's clear. It's not big and big.
You can see the workshop.
おはようございます。
We got all rooms here. All back here, a whole bunch of them back there. All different colors here.
織物は説明しますから、縦糸を交互に踏み替えながら横糸を1本入れてトン、また踏み替えてトン、そうすると縦糸と横糸が交差して布になっていきます。
Each time they have to step in and they change the position. So there's a vertical one and so lifting the. Do you want to get ready and then make a different pattern?
そのままいって、はい、2回折ります。こちらまでが糸ですよね。こっちまでが糸。糸装置。そう。これも横糸。
And the loop?
はい。これを踏み替えてこのようにして、
So they change
布にクローズになる。
each time and insert the loop. どのぐらいの時間かかりますか？
帯は半幅帯は15センチの4メーター折ります。大体2日ぐらい。
2 days. 2 days.
早い人でね。
If you are professional or faster one, or if I make maybe 5 days or 1 week to complete. Yes.
で、ちょっと下手な人はまたもうちょっとかかる。ね、糸が取れないように細い糸で折ります。
First, she short thinner thread.
そういう細い糸で折りますね。もう難しいからじゃなくて、基本パターン。
The basic pattern, the very basic pattern is that it's not square.
なんていう。
I don't know who these guys are. See.
Yeah, I think so.
There's
That's
something
cedar,
there.
cedar. Hers are cedar.
Guys are
Anyway,
down there.
I've got one of them, and I've been looking to get her.
That guy's got a tooth in there,
Smell it in there.
but this guy doesn't here, so.
He had a workshop.
Yeah, okay.
Lovely.
Go out here to all my fans and one-man travel. I'm here in Japan, taking on the local garb here for all my friends and the entertainment of the other people here also here. So, hey, hey, do some poses here and everything. So, this is the best I can do. The hat's a little small, but these are free samples here. Thank you all. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right.